So welcome to another video, which we have a DB9 male connector, which is a 9-pin, right? So what basically we're going to do, this is a diagram. Basically we're going to connect it up to a UPS. So we're going to use 3 and 9, which is, you can see it on the diagram over here. 3, which is ground, and 9 utility fail. Alright, so this is how it looks. So the fittings comes in the bag and the port. So we're just going to make a connection here, which we're just going to use 2 wire in this case. Over here is number 9. No, right here is number 9, right over here, and show you exactly. Right here is number 9, and here is number 3. Alright, so number 3 is right here, and number 9 is right here. Alright, so we're going to make the connection now. I'll let you see which. First, we're going to strip this wire first, and then take these stuff out of the plastic. Alright. Alright, one thing I like with these instrument cables, it comes with a string here, right? Which you're going to take a terminal screwdriver or any screwdriver, wrap it around like this, and come like this, and it cuts the wire for you. Alright, so basically I'm just going to clip it. Alright, just clip it and make it look more tidy. Alright, you see the wire is peeled nicely. Don't watch this, you're going to clean up, you know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the stuff on the plastic, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure the length of wire I need. How I do that? Alright, I put the port right in this slot here, alright, and then I put this against up here, and then I'm going to clip exactly where I want, because I do not want this to pass this boundary here, else it won't close properly. Right, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Clip off a little bit more. Alright, just like this. You want to put it right here, and you solder the pin. Alright, you do not want this to come all the way up, and then it prevent it from close properly. Alright, so I'm just going to strip this, add some flux, solder on the terminal pins here, same thing here, and solder it. Alright, and show you how to put all of this together. Alright. Alright, so we're going to add some solder on the pin, and this pin here, hold it up close. Alright, put some solder on the tip here, and I'm going to put it right over here. Alright, just like that. And for this, we're going to add some solder here as well. Same thing for here. Add some. Turn it over. Ensure all side has solder. Right, so now we are going to solder these wires to the respective place. Alright, so I add the pliers as to help me hold it steady. So I'm just going to hold on. Alright, so I went ahead and soldered it. Now I'm going to do this section here. Alright, hold on. Alright, so I went ahead and do the soldering. Alright, so then we're going to place this here in the groove. As you can see, as I tell you before, it stopped right there. Alright, this screw that you see have that little circular thing here is going to go here, so it prevents it from backing out. But first you have to add this washer light. First put it through, hold on, put it through just like that. You see that it won't drop out. So the same thing I'm going to do for the other side. Alright, just like that. Then you're going to take this cover now, alright, and put it just like that. Just have to take your time. Put this back in. See, this can move back and forth. Same thing for this, back and forth. Then now this washer, you can either put it on this side or on this side, it doesn't matter. Alright, alright, then you're going to take this screw, put it from the back here, and you use a terminal screwdriver and tighten it. And do the same thing over here. Put another washer here, and you put this long screw right here, and you do the same thing. Alright, tighten that, tighten that, just like that. See it? This can't move. Then we're going to add this, cover this little clamp here. Alright, so that's how you connect a DB9 9-pin connector. Alright, so please let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this fix. Alright, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment.